Once human Securement Silo Alpha. How to activate all power equipment. Here's everything you need to know about activating all power equipment in Securement Silo Alpha. Walk towards the stage. Screenshot by Data Sports. The Securement Silo Alpha is located in the Chalk Peak region, roughly at coordinates 123, -3656. You can enter the silo in the normal, hard, or nightmare difficulty with your friends. Make your way through the dungeon, kill the high-level enemies, and you should find the Rosetta Heavy with a minigun. Eliminate him, and it should drop a VXS card. Once you enter the space, eliminate other enemies, and keep going straight until you meet another door asking you for the access card. You can swipe the same card again, and it should lead you to a red-colored room through a hole in the wall saying the seepage is on. At this point, your objective should change to activate the power equipment. To move to the next phase of the dungeon, there are 5 power equipment to find and activate in the room with the stage. The first one should be in front of the stage, while the other 2 should be on the right side below the stage. There should be one on the left side as well, while the last one can be found in the backstage dressing room. Once all the power equipment has powered up, they should give rise to the boss deviant. Now, you can clear the dungeon and collect your loot.